Nothing says Greek island more than the cube-shaped buildings and whitewashed exteriors of Mykonos. Winding roads twist through the main city center of Kora, past well-appointed storefronts and minimalist Orthodox churches that give the island a grounded sense of tradition. But Mykonos is far from conservative, known for its hedonistic beach parties and vibrant nightlife. In the Ibiza of Greece, you're never far from a rave-up beyond the bar and club scene. Mykonos' silky sand beaches are the biggest draw. Vacationers come to see and be seen, at times in the nude. This laissez-faire attitude particularly appeals to those who love a ruckus. Sarau and Paradise beaches start jumping early in the afternoon and don't clear out until sunrise. Don't worry, early birds. There are also plenty daytime sights like the Cycladic-style buildings of Kora, the windmills of Katomaili, and the ancient ruins of Delos. Here, you'll discover the perfect Greek mix of sophistication, relaxation, and jubilation. As the Greeks say, live your life. Chora is one of the island's most stunning neighborhoods, overlooking the harbor's southwest. Early ship captains built unique houses here, many of which now host cozy restaurants, trendy bars, shops, and nightclubs, making it lively day and night. While some visitors find Little Venice charming for drinks and sunset views, others feel it's overpriced and crowded, especially with cruise ship traffic. Nearby, the windmills offer more photo opportunities, and though the area is free to explore, you might be tempted to spend on a drink or souvenir. If you're lucky, you might spot Petros the pelican, Mykonos mascot often seen around the waterfront and the fish market. According to legend, Petros was left behind by migrating pelicans in the 1950s and has become a local icon. The iconic windmills overlooking Little Venice date back to the 16th century, when they were used to grind grain. Though no longer operational, they serve as a monument to early innovation. The hilltop offers spectacular views of Kora and the harbor. The Aegean Maritime Museum is also nearby, just a short walk away. As you head to the windmills, explore Alefkandra, a historic seaside neighborhood known for its bars and sunset views. Visitors generally find the windmills worth the visit for photos, though some were disappointed by the crowds in their rundown state. One windmill is occasionally open for a small fee, but otherwise it's free to explore. Paraga Beach is known for its lively atmosphere and beautiful golden sands. It's a mix of laid-back vibes and party energy, with beach bars and restaurants lining the shore. The water is clear and calm, ideal for swimming. Whether you're looking to relax on a sunbed or join in the fun, Paraga Beach offers something for everyone. Additionally, the beach bed prices can be high, with some sunbeds costing 40 to 80 euros in July per pair, or even more for VIP options. For those looking to enjoy music without paying, there is free space available on the beach, especially if you come early. Paradise Beach is one of Mykonos' most famous party beaches. It attracts a young crowd, especially in the summer when the music and nightlife take over. The beach itself is sandy and the waters are perfect for swimming. Beach clubs like Paradise Club host events with world-class DJs, making this a must-visit spot for party lovers. However, if you want to relax in a beach chair or sip on a cocktail, prepare to be charged between €15 to more than €75 per person in high season. Kalo Levati Beach is one of the longest beaches on Mykonos, offering plenty of space for sunbathing and swimming. It's popular with families and those looking for a quieter beach experience. The water is crystal clear and the surrounding landscape is stunning. With hills rolling into the sea, beach bars and restaurants here have a more relaxed vibe compared to the party spots. There are several restaurants around Kalo Levati, providing a convenient spot for a break and a bite to eat. During the summer months, the beach is divided into several areas, but it can get crowded. For those looking for a quieter option, sunbeds are available for rent from €30 per set. Agrari Beach is praised for its peaceful atmosphere, reasonable prices, and scenic beauty. Parking is free, and there's plenty of space to relax. The beach is covered with small, round rocks, making it less sandy, but ideal on windy days. Visitors should be cautious of slab-shaped rocks in the water and the steep hill leading down. It's a quiet, secluded spot with clear waters, perfect for swimming or snorkeling. Amenities include sunbeds and umbrellas for rent at around €35. Access is available via busboat or car, offering stunning views as you approach the beach. Super Paradise Beach is renowned for its vibrant party scene, attracting a diverse crowd with golden sands and clear waters. The beach club, open since 1971, offers everything from sunbathing to cocktails by the sea and Mediterranean, Asian, and South American finger food. In the afternoons, music kicks off and lasts until early morning, making it a hot spot for partygoers. Reviews are mostly positive, with visitors praising the lively atmosphere and crystal clear waters. However, it can be pricey, with sunbed rentals ranging from €40 to €120. Free shuttle buses from the Old Port make access easy, and amenities include food, drinks, lifeguards, and water sports like jet skiing. Those seeking peace should look elsewhere, as this beach is all about energy and fun.
Saç, kızıl güller, kahkahası bülbüller, kirpi kapkara tüller. Ben o afet vuruldum, göz değil akış mübarek. Bendeki aşk değil ibadet, elleri sevdi nihayet. Ben ebedi saadetten kovuldum. Gölgemi al yanıma, vurdum hasret yoluna. Benzedim bahtsız Mecnun'a, Yüce Mevla'ya sığındım. Seyret perişan halimi, bende akşam olmakta dostlar. Seyrelmiş beyhude lafla vakit dolmakta. Avare oldum, serseri oldum, terk diyarda zalim. Senin Allah'ın yok mu yarin? Gözü yüksekte benim bir kuru aşkım var. Düşmanlarım nispette bey, kara vicdanlı yar. Yağdı saçlarıma genç yaşımda, lapa lapa kar zalim. Senin Allah'ın yok. Pembe saç, kızıl güller, kahkahası bülbüller, kirpi kap kara tüller. Ben o afete vuruldum. Göz değil akış mübarek, bendeki aşk değil ibadet. Elleri sevdi nihayet, ben ebedi saadetten kovuldum. Gölgemi aldım yanıma, vurdum hasretin yoluna. Benzedim bahtsız Mecnun'a, Yüce Mevla'ya sığındım. Seyret perişan halimi, bende akşam olmakta dostlar. Seyrelmiş beyhude lafla vakit dolmakta. Avare oldum, serseri oldum, terk diyarda zalim. Senin Allah'ın yok mu yarin? Gözü yüksekte benim bir kuru aşkım var. Düşmanlarım nispette bey, kara vicdanlı yar. Yağdı saçlarıma genç yaşımda, lapa lapa kar zalim. Senin Allah'ın yok. Seyret perişan halimi, bende akşam olmakta dostlar. Seyrelmiş beyhude lafla vakit olmakta. Avare oldum, serseri oldum, terk diyarda zalim. Senin Allah'ın yok mu yarin? Gözü yüksekte benim bir kuru aşkım var. Düşmanlarım nispette behey, kara vicdanlı yar. Yağdı saçlarıma genç yaşımda, lapa lapa kar zalim. Senin Allah'ın yok mu zalim? Senin Allah'ın yok mu zalim? Senin Allah'ın yok.